Recipe for Faluda. For this recipe you will need some milk, some rose syrup, or if you don't have that you can use rooh afza. You need some cardamom pods, a little bit of Tukhmeeriya or Tukhmeeriya or Basil seeds. You also need some food colouring. We're using some green and red. Some jelly, which you can prepare as written on the box. Assorted crushed nuts. And you will also need some Faluda strings. And since these aren't available in the market, we're using unflavoured egg noodles. And they should be really thin. And we're also using some vanilla ice cream. We will start off by boiling the milk. And when it goes on boil, we will simmer it for around 10 minutes to allow for the milk to thicken up. And we're also adding some cardamom pods to the milk. Meanwhile, we will prepare the jelly. So as per the box, we've poured the powder and we'll add 2 cups of boiling water on top. Mix till it's dissolved, and we'll leave it aside until it's cooled down and put it in the fridge. To add more colour to the Faluda, you can also add other flavours of jelly, such as green or yellow. As we have 2 different food colourings for the noodle, we will cook the noodles in 2 different batches. So we're boiling the water and adding the green colouring. And another pan will boil water and add the red colouring. There's no fixed colour for Faluda, so you can adjust the colour however you wish. When the water is boiling, we will take a handful of the Faluda noodles, or as much as required, and put it in the food colouring. We'll do the same for the red colouring. Whilst the noodles are cooking and we're waiting for the milk to boil, we will soak the Tukhmeeriya or basil seeds. We've soaked it in around half a cup of cold water. The milk is now boiling, so we will lower the flame and put it on simmer for around 10 minutes. The milk has been simmering for around 10 to 15 minutes now, and we will cool it down and put it in the fridge. Once the noodles have been cooked, we put them through a sieve and we're now rinsing them. Just to take out the remaining colour. The milk is now cooled down and we've put it in the fridge and taking it out, and now we're adding the rose syrup. We're making sure the milk is not too sweet, as we are going to put ice cream on top. And now we will assemble the Faluda. So first put a bit of each coloured noodles in the glass. And now we'll add a scoop of ice cream. Make sure the glasses are tall so you can add all the layers in. And then we'll put a spoon of crushed ice. This will prevent the ice cream from melting really quickly. Next we'll put some Tukhmeeriya or basil seeds. And pour the milk. We've only poured a little bit of milk. Now we're adding the jelly. And then fill it up with the milk. and top it with the assorted nuts. So that was pistachio and some almonds. And to add colour, we're pouring a little bit of rose syrup on top. Your Faluda dessert is now ready to be served.